Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Onto TV, it's the Betway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Cape Town City 0. I'm joined by the CEO of Kosi Nation.
Yazi abantu bathi baba bafika lapho ngenza ama interview bethe ma fans wethu ngithi angisuye uSithibo angiza
Sebakubiza kanjalo
angithi phela nina you know the biggest fan channel
yeah
so manje sebevele babone yonke into ama yabo
abangazokujwayela
manje ne height
yeah sure
but ababoni ukuthi umhlophe ngemnyama yabo
mara height yamesha
yashamesha but yeah no asikhuluma ngegame
uyibone kanjani
I think fethu kumele for everything ebhedayo kumele sibuye sikhulume ngezinto eziright mangiqala ngezinto eziright iChiefs kept the ball sigcinele ibhola were able to play the ball around and create chances, which is the most important thing, obviously creating chances.
Yes,
but then if you create more chances kumele score.
Yes,
and we can be lenient ebadlalini and say, oh, there's too much pressure, you are playing for Kaizer Chiefs and all of that stuff, but we must also know ukuthi Chiefs have the highest XG, like expected goals. Chiefs is higher than even a Sundowns.
Is it?
So manje ama chances that we are creating, the quality of chances we are creating, mayengaphezu kwe Sundowns, the local leaders. Kushuthi inkingi kuphi la kushuthi thina siconvert ama chances so mawuzothatha ucompare Chiefs ne Sundowns, Chiefs ne Pirates, umehluko ukuthi Pirates bazokwazi ukuthi mabethola ama chances bakora, iSundowns mayithola ama chances izokora, iChiefs ithola ama chances igage. Sinempandla manje sihlezi sibamba ikhanda ngoba njalo umodi uthola ichance uzogage yabo. So we try to be, you know, not to be too harsh ebadlalini, but namajita nawo kumele fethu acabanga ukuthi manzolokhu nigage phela ngeke swin because manje abantu bazolokhu bethu nabi is cooking a lot of nothing because people look at the score result team result ithi swinile I mean is drawile but ababheka ukuthi how many chances were quality chances ne because for me ngithi mawuzobheka ukuthi equality team with how good the coach is, you look at how many chances they create, because if you are not creating chances, that means you are not even making an effort to penetrate the other team that you are playing against. You understand? So if uzodlala in a team ehleli but you are still able to break them down and be in a position whereby you are entering their box and creating chances, that means you have a plan. But then mawugeja sekumele enze njani unabi ke manje sekumele angene nase ground akubamba unyawo akhahlelele yabo. So abantu ba busy vele bazobhantarisha bethi awunabi is cooking a lot of nothing, but abalibuka ibhola and abanye abantu ibhola balibuka ngama emotions ukuthi babhejile yabo. Se understand vele maningi ama sponsors yabo ne Betway laphana nabo EasyBet yabona. So yabo bakhona abantu vele kuyabhejwa, but leyo nto le ibuyibulala igame ukuthi abantu sebebuye banganaka ukuthi what was actually happening or what actually happened. You understand? So even today khona umuntu ongalibuka ngebhola ozothi uMarto odlisile but akadlalanga. Uzothi uMarto odlisile kodwa akadlalanga. Khona umuntu namhlanje ozoblame ukuthi umuntu uShabalala vele ingane akasenzeli lutho, bese ngikutshela ukuthi umuntu uShabalala is more assist kwi Chiefs bese yathule yakhamisa because yena ubona igame yanamhlanje kaMdu usemjudge ukuthi is a bad player overall because he had a bad game today. We understand? Khona ozobuza ukuthi uSirino ukhishole namhlanje, uSirino bekhathele, so bekumele aqhubeka amdlalisa umuntu ekhathele kanjani. uSolomon's bekhathele bekumele aqhubeka adlale ekhathele khona bazothi uDupree bekumele adlale. Umchitho ubuya ku injury, he's been trying to come back to full fitness in the previous few games. You needed a target man. You saw ukuthi when Uranga came on, Umodi was like a left winger, and now they've just went to 4-4-2 and then they were playing Uranga alongside Ulilepo to have basically to try and cross the ball and have two strikers to try and have abantu abazo aim for bona because into bebenza first half baya cross kodwa kuno Dupree wenzani ngoba mfishane lo muntu kuno kit kunama defender mad yabo. So ezinye izinto nabadlali nabo they must take accountability ukuthi as much as kune plan ka coach but sometimes now kumele ubuye uthi okay, does this make sense at this moment in time? Because I saw one thing that was said by Inacio Miguel to coach Uguti. Apparently he called him and was like, yeah, you must work on your timing and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
And it was like, if you expect me not to take a yellow card for the team, just forget it, because I'm not gonna do it. You understand? Because a player who understands ukuthi yes, kukhona ukuthi kumele ngibe ne timing, kumele ngibe available for matches,
Sure.
but also if I have to take a red so that the team survives.
I'll
Like
take it.
uSuarez wabamba ibhola ngesandla,
Yeah.
but his sacrifice made Uruguay move forward. Abamfuna abantu egana uSuarez, you understand?
Yeah.
So you must also be a player ozothatha accountability and say njengamanje mina igama lami uGeorge Matlow ngingaphandle kwe18,
Sure.
let me shoot. You
Yeah.
understand? Ayukuthi ngiphethe ibhola mele ngiphinde ngiliphase wide, mele zami kulokhu surround ibhola kuze kushone langa. Players must also take accountability. That's why I'm not gonna say one specific player uzidlisile,
Yeah.
because I don't like that, because
Yes.
game idlala 90 minutes, you understand, and there are a lot of things and moments that happen within that game that people can then, what can I say,
It's too many variables.
yabo. So man, you can't just say urang udlala how many minutes
A few.
bese geja abantu abangaki before rang, but ngoba sesidecide ukuthi urang uyabheda sesothi urang usidlisile, you understand.
Yeah.
Uwenzile amaphutha akhe angiphiki,
Sure.
but masingabuya sithi uSirino naye ugejile first half.
Yes.
But you're not gonna hear anyone say that. Why? Because siyamthanda.
Thulekile.
So bonke labadlali laba bathandwayo bafike baboze kuthulakala. Nansi ngithi controversial engizoyisho.
Khuluma nami, khuluma
I said that uDotli,
Sure.
Russian Dotli, very good player.
Yeah.
Miguel, very good player.
Yeah.
But as a pairing, they were not good.
Together.
You understand?
Yeah.
So kunezinto that can be good individually, but together they were not good.
Yes.
You see manje umsimango no Inaso, they are playing well together and the communication yabo is much better. I'm not saying uDotli was a bad player.
Yeah.
But uDotli had his own mistakes. Like against the Sundowns, there was a mistake where he was the one who was supposed to track Uripero.
Yeah.
He didn't track him. But people were quick to say it's Mart because it was supposed to be a midfielder who goes into that space. But as a centre back, uyokumela landele upartner wakhe.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is people are quick to criticize the ones that they've already decided that they are gonna hate. You understand? So ibhola vele silibuka sesazi ukuthi ayuMartu khona uzozidlisa. Masibuka uMatlow awuzozidlisa. Yabo, mangena umuntu ushabalala ingane le, mangena umfundo ingane le. Kodwa at the same time the same people bazothi umfukeng president yama 2000. Kodwa when it comes to abadlali beChiefs bona seku different story. So inkinga yiba abalandeli beChiefs, because namanje the same fans bazofuna ubani uNabaxosho. Angithi bafuna uPitso ze kuChiefs. Afika uPitso cishe ngasho into wrong kabi. Afika uPitso athuka management.
Yes.
Right, athuka management athi ngifuna abadlali mina. Bangamnikezi. Bese yaphuma yaqala uPitso yamazi mase casikile uyafrustrateeka akushare ku media bese ngithuka yena futhi uPitso. You understand?
So it's that cycle.
So abalandeli beChiefs they must learn ukuthi, do you actually see an improvement in the style of play yeChiefs? So if uyibona improvement, then thula. If ungazi nokuthi ini style of play, asithule ungakusho, because kunobantu futhi abake banginsultela ukuthi ngithe bathi uSirino wayedlaliswa ezewenga, ngithi uSirino uya invert and become a double 10, but ayikho lento oyisho. Ngithi hamba ubuka igame, hamba ubuka hit map yakhe, ubuka ukuthi uSirino udlala wide noma uyangena as a 10. So zonke lezo zinto abantu babuka ukuthi ithini starting 11. You understand? Kwesinye isikhathi ucoach angalikhipha i-defender afake elinye i-defender, but akusho ukuthi uya-defend. Njenganamhlanje ukhipha uSolomons wafaka uFrosler, but not ngoba ube se-defend, but uSolomons ube sephelile. So sekumele ufake someone else ozokunikeza something different. Solomons ukunikeza i-pace, but uFrosler ukunikeza i-creativity ngamabhola azowaclippa into the box. So abalandeli abakubuki lokho bathi i-defender. You understand? Anyways, but what I'm trying to say is there's a lot of good things that we can say about Nabi, but there are a lot of things that we can say about fans, and there are a lot of things we can say about players taking accountability to make this team better, because if they don't, then so Kubega Skulume City iChiefs are better, this and that. So balandeli, take accountability, asiyeke ukubhuwa abadlali bethu. It's so stupid ukuthi uzobhuwisha urang uzodlala kanjani, ucoach uzophinda amkhiphe. So final thoughts, balandeli, we can do better, but football players as well, none you can do better. Stay an extra hour, practice finishing, and then it's gonna become natural. Otherwise soloku siqhubeka sicula the same song. But still,
Thank you very much, Minier.